Hi there! For this video, we'll be talking about subtracting polynomials. We will discuss this by showing examples, since I find this to be the best way to learn this topic. So let's write that one out. Subtracting polynomials. There. It's kind of large. So there. So let's start with our first example. Let's have 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 8. So to subtract polynomials, the key is distributing this negative sign to both of this. So this would become 2x plus 1. Note that we can remove the parentheses since we can't really simplify the operation or the terms inside the parentheses. So I removed it. Then distributing this would give us negative 3x and negative 8. And from here we can simply compute for the answer out here. Combining the like terms, we have 2x minus 3x. This first one would give us with negative x. Then this one, 1 and negative 8, would give us with negative 7. And that is the answer for this one. Let's go on to the next example. If we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. So how do we solve this one? Again, first thing, we distribute the negative sign to all terms out here. So this would become x squared minus 2x plus 1, then minus 3x squared, and negative times negative out here would become positive. So this is positive 5x squared, and negative times negative again for the last one. That will be positive 2. And from here we can simply just combine the like terms out here. So first we have x squared and negative 3x squared. That would become negative 2x squared, negative 2x, this one is just x, negative 2x and 5x, that would become 3x, and lastly we have 1 plus 2 or simply plus 3, and that is the answer for this example. So again, the key is just simply distributing the negative side inside the terms of the parentheses beside it. Let's have this third example. If we have xy plus 3x squared plus 4y squared minus 5x squared minus 2xy plus 5. So to solve this one, again, first distribute the negative sign in this 3 terms out here. So this one is equal to xy plus 3x squared plus 4y squared. Since I just bring down the values or the terms in the polynomial above, then we have minus 5x squared. Negative times negative is positive 2xy and negative 5. So simplifying this one would give us first xy plus 2xy would give us with 3xy, 3x squared, and negative 5x squared would give us with negative 2x squared. And how about for this one? For 4y squared, observe that it doesn't have any common terms already in this whole algebraic expression. And so, simply bring that down out here, 4y squared. And the same goes for negative 5, since there's no more constant out here. So we just write negative 5 out. And that is the answer. So again, when there is no like terms, like for 4y squared and negative 5, we simply copy these terms on our final answer. Let's have our fourth example. If we have 5ax minus 6ay minus 6bx minus 7ay minus 7bx plus 10ax. So first, distributing would give us 5ax minus 6ay minus 6bx. So again, put that out here, here, and here. So this would become negative 7ay. Negative times negative is positive 7bx and negative 10ax. Then we just combine the like terms. So first, 5ax, its like term in this expression is this one. So combining that would give us negative 5ax. For negative 6ay, its like term is the negative 7ay. So this would give us negative 13ay. And lastly, for negative 6bx, its like term is 7bx. So this would give us negative 6 plus 7 is positive 1bx, or don't really need to put the 1, it's just bx. And that is the answer for this one. Let's have our last example. If we have 4 times 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8x minus 3 times 3x squared minus 6x cubed plus 10x. Yep. So the key is, when we have a coefficient out here, what we do is we distribute to each terms in the polynomial beside it. But for this one, since there is a negative sign out here, we also distribute the negative sign to each. So it's like distributing negative 3 to each term in the polynomials. So this would become 4 times 2 is 8x cubed, 4 times 6 is 24x squared and negative 32x. Then for the next one, that would become negative 9x squared. Negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18x cubed and negative 30x. And from here, we can now combine the like terms. So first is the x cubed. Its like term is this one. So the answer for this is 26x cubed. Then for the next one, 24x squared. Its like term is negative 9x squared. So that would give us 24 minus 9 is 15x squared. And lastly, we have negative 32x. Its like term is negative 30x, and that would give us with negative 62x. So pretty large coefficients for this one, but this one is the answer. And so that's how we subtract polynomials. Similar how to add polynomials, we simply combine like terms. But we start with distributing the negative sign to each polynomial to each term in the polynomial beside it. So take note of that. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's all for this video.